try i-contrast color sa wrapper daw siya. Later. Alam ko ni siya kakulor na wrapper. Pwede man itong light color, darker, lighter. Nanong ko naumuhan ng isa. Kato siya naman siya contrast. Kani wala. Plain ra sa yellow. Yellow, baby. Nandam na ko kay mag-market na ko. Market yarn. Market na po. Dapit na. Need to prepare, guys. Because nasimulan ko man to. Tatapusin ko. Charot. Kaya lang, guys. Nara pa isa. Contrast na siya. They're standing by their own. Looks good. Ew, that's ugly. That's heavy. My goodness. Oh my gulay. Heavy. That's all good. We're not perfect. We don't need to be too harsh on our shelves. Daog sarap po. Nadaog. First prize kay kuan man to beauty care chuchu. Taga Ilati Marina na mga trabahante. Second prize kay kuan to fruits basket si Ate Gemma. Ang third si Ate Lynn itong nag-donate ng fruit basket. Itong moto kong third prize. Okay, ganahan mo siya ito. So siya na doon. Why it's so very igang? Dong, why so very igang dong? So igang oy. Nice. Yep. Thank you so much. Igang lagi kayo. So very hot oy. So very hot man dong. Oh, I did my yellow. Kanina ko nakali. Kaya ko sa mga baratohon.